So this is the Maps application. So you have your start date and your end date, but this is backwards to your label maker. So let's just say we want the last week, and then today, and let's say Boise, and then hit start. And it'll say all done. And then you would have it print out a file to your desktop, but mine's inside here for now. And then you drag that file into here where it says click here or paste option. Oh, apparently that's going to pop up a few times. I'll have that fixed up, but for now you drag the test file into here, and then it will upload it and stuff. You want to click set options. It'll open all this stuff up. You can change it how you want, but be sure to enable heat maps and enable clustering. And then you should go up and click set options and then hit make map. And then it will take roughly about a minute, 20 seconds for every week that you go back. Actually, that one looked like it went really quick. And then you can hit the heat map, and now it shows you all the little dots of where the houses are. You can zoom in. It looks like this one has the most clusters, so then you can go in, and they're not super far away from each other. There's 3 right by each other here. This looks like a big cluster right here. 3 in the same neighborhood. And then if you want, you can just have the dots, and it gives you the addresses, so you can click on it and it'll go, oh look, there's that. You can click on it and it gives you the address, or I guess the address is right there. So you can drop that into Google if you want. You can also click launch map save. Testing map for now. You can name it whatever you want. You can say this is Boise, March 1st to March 10th. And then you can put your email if you want. If you put your email in, it lets you edit it later. But for now, I don't want to do that. Save map, and then it gives you this URL. You can click on it. I'm going to take that and put it into my Google instead. And now you have it on Google. You could also send this to people with their phones and be able to use it on your phone as well for the heat map stuff. So now you can turn on heat map, and now I'm on my computer instead of the app, or I'm on my phone in this case. And so you're out driving about, you can find all these on your phone. Looks like Hidden Springs has quite a bit, and you can go. I did notice that some of them don't actually have, they're not on the actual location, but maybe Google Maps just isn't updated yet, because I do know they're building a lot more houses. But for the most part, they seem to be fairly decent. And if you go back into here, you should be able to have it set to terrain if you want it, or like satellite view. Let's see. You do a hybrid, and then you can go up here and hit where is it? Oh, update map. Boom. And now it's updated. And now it's like this. And we were looking at the one that was a little off up here. Right here. It looks like it's just off on a dirt road. So maybe it's not a dirt road anymore. I'm not entirely sure. But there are a few that are a little off. And maybe it's just the address is wrong on the website. But yeah, so now you know where the house is. You can turn the heat map on and it'll show you clusters like you were asking for. But it looks like this is the general area that you want to go to. And so you go in, drive around, grab them. The only downside is it only lets you add 250 of these. And so this is like, actually should tell me how many there are. Right here, there's 104. So that's 104 in 10 days. And so if you just do it week by week, you'll be fine. But if you try doing like a whole month or so, it won't let you unless you pay for it. This is like a website that makes the heat maps and stuff. I just added it into the application. So there you go. Hopefully that is more of what you were hoping to have. But yeah.